Global Access Forex. The one thing I need you to understand about one saying, it is not about you are right or you are wrong. It is about money you lost while you are wrong, and how much money you lost while you are right, or how much money you risk while you are wrong, or how much money you risk while you are right. That's the most important aspect of the trading psychology and terminology with respect to money management concepts you need to understand, which it compiled together, risks together, aligned them together. I'm very sure with a good trading plan and a good strategy and also a good trading system, you can be able to excel the forex market. Yes. This is Adnan Global Access Forex. Welcome back to our Boom and Crash weekly analysis. I'll be very fast today. As I talk, Boom 1000 has broken out, so we are working for a retest in order to continue the trend. But before I go into that, let me just give you the recap of the weekly analysis from the Crash 1000. Look at it here. The Crash 1000, I just marked the highs and the lows here for the weekly chart. Weekly chart is the most important chart in all the chart in Boom and Crash trading system. I have my reasons for this based on my research, and I've already also pointed out that Boom and Crash strategy. I also found out that Boom and Crash is the best weekly analysis chart to determine the highest zones and the lowest zones for the possible move trend of the market. So as the time goes on, I'm going to share you the 3 researches I made based on that, and I'll be able to share you my proof. This is Adnan Global Access Forex. As I always do, I like to backtest some things or check some things or verify some things before I give it out to you. So let's go in now. Let's go back to the 4 hours chart. Let's go. You see now? Okay, good. Let's go down to 1 hour chart. So this was the breakout and the retest that I saw. This one and this retest. Sorry. And this retest. This breakdown, retest, and coming down. That's where I sold this market here. So you see, market is still in a downtrend below the 50 exponential moving average. Break its previous support. After the market break previous support here, and the market retest it and is trying to reject it and go down. That was the reason I sell. So look at our positions now. So you see, so let me tell you one thing you need to understand with respect to all this Boom and Crash trading system. You can see this trade. I did not tell you that I'm not losing. Yes, I have losses, but the main important thing is how much money you risk while you are wrong and how much money you risk while you are right. Look at the money currently reading on now. The money I'm risking on this trade that is in negative is not even up to 5% of my total entire profit currently reading here. So that's how to trade, please. Even if you want to sell again, buy again, offer more than one positions, as far as you want to offer more than one position in Boom and Crash trading system, please make sure you are in profit before you open it. Because sometimes even if you are in profit, the market is going well with you, the broker, they may manipulate some things. Yes, I can testify that broker manipulates because it happens to me. And those that are in my PIP group for a long time has testified to that. So this is Adnan Global Access Forex. So don't worry about yourself if you are losing. If you are losing, just make sure how many percent of your account are you losing on that trade. If you are winning, how many percent of your account are you winning on that trade? That's the main subjectivity you need to host yourself in order to get good, reasonable result with trading system. This is Adnan Global Access Forex. So let's go on now. So you see, this market come back and break these previous highs that make me enter this market. My stop loss is already around here, so market will trigger it for me. Looking below these highs. So I'm trying to see if market come and retest this area. That's where I will target my orders. Let me even check to the 4 hours time frame and see what is going on. Yes, even from the 4 hours chart, this is an optical zone that we need to put our eyes on. So probably as for me, as for crash 1000, let me even put my sell limit order here so that let it just trigger. If it trigger, then I will know what to do. Let me put my sell limit order here. Let me put it at 85 level. Let me put it at 85 level. Oh, 85. Yes, let me put it at 85 level. Sell limit order crash 1000. Sell limit order at what? At 8500. Sell limit 8500. 8500. Okay, 8500.5. So you see this 8500, that's why you place your sell limit order here. My network is bad and it's not. So after you place your sell limit order, then you should put at least 180 or above these highs as your stop loss, and you'll target this low, because the market may not continue. Even if the market will go up now, have to come down, then form a double base bottom before it go back up here, break this neckline and continue going up. So this is the main structure. Even if this market will continue going up, so don't be scared. Even if this market, since the market is in a downtrend, even if the market will continue going up, this market has to come and act as a zone here. Excuse me, act as a zone. Sorry, act as a zone here. Marked it, get what it wants here, come down, go back up here to break this previous swing high, so that we can have what, a neckline break. Then we can come down here, retest it, then market will continue going up. So don't worry about that. You can confidently place your 80 sell limit order at 8500.5, but make sure your stop loss is 180R above that highs. If you don't know what is 80, what 80R means, I have a video in the description. Go and learn how to use 80R to place your stop loss with boom and crash or volatility 75 index conveniently in this video. So let's go on now. So the next one, let's check boom 1000. I told you boom 1000 broke out. You can see I was in a massive trend, but I've taken some profit last week because the market was reading almost you see, we have capped these highs, even this breakout. So you see where I mark my zones here. This is where this green and white, this is where I mark my zones, our base support level here and our resistance level. So look at what is happening here. Market has broken below our resistance. Retest is market break higher. So market is trying to retest is now for the last push, then before we move on higher. So that is why I give you sell signal on boom 1000. I don't normally sell against the trend. I always follow the trend, because trend following and price action is the best indicators and is the best signals that can help you to understand and to get what you want. This is Adnan Global Access Forex. Please, if you want to check more strategies and more videos on our price action, on how to trade boom and crash volatility 75 index, kindly check the link in the description. I have dropped 2 good playlists for you for volatility 75 index strategies and boom and crash strategies as well. So let's dive in. So this is for boom 500. Let's check crash 500, please. Crash 500. So you can see it's almost similar to what? It's almost similar to what? It's almost similar to crash 1000. So market is at lows. So possibly this market, because of this, you see, this one has broken out. Market, you see, market has broken out. But because of this scenario here, I think market may come up to this level. Market might come up to that level according to structure, or even come up to this level. Because you don't know what I'm seeing here. I'm seeing something different from what you are seeing. That's why I told you, please go and learn. Don't say you must follow only YouTube channels and learn. You'll just be losing your money. A lot of people are complaining to me, they blow account, they blow account. Come back, come and check my client in my VIP group. They made good amount of money with just a very small amount of money. Some of them use my signal, starting my signal was $5, $10, $20, but they make a very good amount of money because they follow the instructions given to them in the VIP signals. So please, I have, if you want to have one guy experience that he was chatting me up. So he was a very good guy and he always respond and obey the instruction given to him. So if I ask you to only risk 5%, please risk only 5%. I'm the one that created this strategy. I'm the one that developed the concept of this strategy. I'm the one working on this strategy. I'm the one working on everything, but I still risk only 5% of my trading system and allow all the possibilities to play out for me with the exact way the price action trading plays out for me. So that's why I'm running this trade. That's why I'm getting it like this. That's why I'm getting every aspect of it. So it's not only boom and crash volatility, but any form of forex or financial trading system. That's the best way to adopt it. Learn. If you can't join my mentorship, go and get other people's mentorship and run, please. It's very, very important. So let's move on now. So for Crash 500, you can see there was a rejection here. That's why I tell you it's a two-way scenario. There was a rejection here on the 4 hours chart. But let's check the weekly chart and see the bigger picture first. You see, on the weekly chart, the market is currently going down. And that's the exact anticipation I was even about to tell you too. Because you see how this is where the market closed for the last week, and see. But let's go down to the daily time frame. So this is it. So you see this doge on this daily chart. That's what pushes this market down. Look at see the rejection, and see this another candle go back up to this level, take out the highs. But what happened? That market finally closed below this level. That's why I always respect hammer. I don't know why we missed this signal, because I was very busy with my private clients, but we don't supposed to miss this signal because I actually saw uh, this rejection that particular day. So it's fine. Market rejects. Market may try to retrace more. Even if it retraces, as far as market is around this level, you can sell. So let's even place a sell limit order here in case market retraces into zone 80. Let me put this order here. 66. Put sell limit order. Crash 500 sell limit order 66. Crash 500 sell limit order 66 point. Sorry, it's but anyway, just place your sell limit order here, please, at this level. And if you want to take the markets very high and risk, you can sell now. Because but for me personally, I will not sell now. I'll wait for market to come down and retest, because I always buy and sell from an area of value. Please, those that are in my VIP group, don't be worried. Sometimes I don't give signals when I don't have a good and perfect setup to trade. I only trade when the market and the conditions of my own trading plan and my own personal trading system give me courage to trade. So please try and understand everything you need to understand so that you can be able to make money and excel in this business. So let's go on now. So let's go to the Boom 500, which is the last one. You still have a running trade. I've already given a VIP signal earlier. Sorry, my network is delaying me. I don't know what's the problem. The network is bad. So just look at it. From the daily, look at it from the daily. Market is trying to break below this low. Let's go down to the weekly chart. You see? So for crash 1000 for boom 500, just sell, because that's why I was already selling. Look at it here. That's why I was already selling, and I'm already in profit. So just sell, because market is very strong. See this form of rejection. So market has broken this level, I think. So the possible move will be down. So please, for boom 500, just sell. Or you can wait market to retrace up back again, then you can sell again. But for me, I'm already having a sell. You see, market is trading below the 50 exponential moving average. So the medium term trend is down. So possibly you can look for 100 pips TP2 and TP1 50 pips. So for Boom 500, please sell TP1 50 pips, TP2. Sorry, since we are selling, let's just cap out TP1 30 pips, TP2 60 pips. Let's cap 60 pips on this trade. So this is Adnan Global Access Forex. Nice to talk to you. Now, for those that bought the Magic Bomb strategy, please listen to me attentively. For those that bought the Magic Bomb strategy is fully updated now. You can be able to get the updated version for those that have bought the strategy. And for those that have not bought the strategy, you can be able to contact me, or you can be able to get an instant access of the strategy directly from our website, aga-forex.com. So this is Adnan Global Access Forex. And for those that are having problem trading the strategy, or you don't know how you can import the strategy into your own personal trading plan or personal trading system, just contact our support. We can be able to help you with that, so that we can be able to start making money the way we are making money here with this awesome strategy. So nice to talk to you now. See you in my next video. Bye.